Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a TikTok story. To begin, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the inbox icon, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. From there, simply tap on your story, located at the top of your inbox feed. This action will allow you to view your currently active story, preparing you for the next step. Now that you're viewing your story, the next step is to locate the delete option. Look closely for the three-dot menu icon. This icon is typically positioned in the bottom right corner of your story screen. Tapping on this small but important icon will reveal a set of additional options. These options provide various controls for your story, including the one we need to proceed with deletion. With the Options menu now open, you'll see several choices. To remove your story, simply select the Delete option from this list. After tapping Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt asks if you are absolutely sure you want to delete the story. Confirm your decision by tapping Delete one more time to permanently remove your story from public view. It's important to remember that TikTok stories are designed to be temporary, typically lasting for 24 hours before they automatically disappear. Deleting your story manually removes it immediately for all viewers, regardless of how much time is left. You also have control over who sees your stories through your privacy settings, allowing you to tailor your audience for each post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.